Hi friends, this video shows how to find all free sports games in the PlayStation Store. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First, go to Games tab. Select Games tab from top left corner. Go to PlayStation Store. Now we are inside PlayStation Store. Here go to top, then select Browse tab, then go down. Now on left side we can see sort and filter option. Select it. So here set price, then set free, then go back, then set category. Here we have to select sport. Done. Go back. See, so these are free sports games. So this way we can list out only the free sports games available in the PlayStation Store. I hope you have enjoyed this video. From this list, for example, we can set one free game, then select this download button, so that way we can download and install this free game in PS5. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.